To access the visualizer, we come up into the upper left corner, click on our menu button, and click Visualizer. The visualizer is an extremely powerful tool for analyzing data and creating charts and graphs for your dashboards. This is designed for end users, not for your technical staff. So this is a great tool that's very easy to use and only takes a small amount of time to learn to play with. Up in the top here, in our subject area, we have all of our measures, attributes, and the ability to create other expressions and groupings. At the top here, we have several different tools for changing the look and the style of our charts and graphs. The thing I'll point out here is right now, we're looking at the top 100 results. Often a nice way when you're doing creating and stuff to pull some stuff together before you change it to everything. And then over here we have a wide variety of different ways to look at our data. Everything from charts, graphs, plain old tables, if you really want to take a look at the detailed data, to flat out using and creating maps with the information embedded in it. All right, so we're going to start with a simple graph, and that's as easy as finding the different attributes we want and pulling them in. So we can look at our closed cases. I can pull it in by different categories, and we can also look at breaking it out by different time periods. So a lot of different ways to pull data in. It's easy to switch back and forth. Let's take a look now at a slightly different view. Once again, we're going to start with our count of closed cases, and you can either search through the lists or you can also use this simple Google style search. So once again, we're going to start with our count of closed cases. We're going to add our category as a dimension. We're going to look at it in a slightly different manner this time. We're going to look at it as a tree map. And what a tree map does is shows you the relative size of our different categories. To this, we can further break it down. Now it shows us by our different regions, and we can also break it down by our account type. And that breaks it into two groups, enterprise and small business. We can go ahead and save these for future use. Once again, it's very easy to switch this around. If we want to look at it as crosstab information, just a couple clicks. And we can do the same kind of thing where we're looking at summaries by different types of categories. And if you want to, you can even look at it as simple data. So we'll create a table so that when we need to look into the details, we can do that. We're going to clean this up slightly because what I really am interested in this point is information on my accounts. So I can easily add to this by coming over here and finding my account name. And adding that in. Now once again, we're only looking at the top 100 elements. We can easily change that so it brings everything in. With this data set, it doesn't make much difference, but that can often be helpful when you're first looking at the information. Notice also that we're currently sorting this. We can sort it however we want to. And we'll save this also. So now we've taken a look at the data in a bunch of different ways. And you can always come back to the visualizer when you're looking for certain trends or you're seeing certain anomalies. A great place to just analyze your data. An excellent tool for analysts and other folks within your company all by itself. But now we're going to take a look at how we can use this and other features to present the information to our users.